Hey guys, it's me Caroline. I just wanted to show you guys what my daughter and I are doing on this rainy Saturday. I've decided to start making my lip balms. And my daughter now is trying it out.
It's good.
Yeah, let me see how it looks.
Oh, let's look.
Yeah, oh yeah, okay. So what we did, we used coconut oil, vitamin E, peppermint oil, and beeswax. And I got these lipsticks, and one batch is this color, and the other batch, which Christina, go check on them, hon. Let's see if they're done.
Yeah, they're done.
Let me see. These are coming out of the fridge.
They're done.
And, oh, I love it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some more labels on them, or the stickers, and these are a different color than those. Can you really tell though? These have like a little, what did you say? Hold on.
See, that's like two different colors.
Oh, okay, like a shimmer. Okay, so we're still working on this. And this is how the second batch looks, all packed up with the lids and labels. So there is, you can tell a difference, Christina, right? These are a brighter pink and these are a shimmer. So these came out really nice. I'm so excited. So this was our mommy-daughter project today. And here are all of them. And my mess behind me, getting ready for some orders and doing some more bags and bead charms on this miserable New York afternoon.